What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolf Pack. This is a FUD edition. There is a lot of bullshit going on. The markets are not looking very good. It's not for the faint of heart. We also have some dope ass memes, and we also have a good hex analysis. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the charts.
You big old sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. Two really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart is not respecting mothers on Mother's Day. The bears are still fully in control.
What's happened?
Instead of live, laugh, love, it's live, laugh, wrecked this Mother's Day. This is not what a bounce looks like in Bitcoin. This is what a bounce looks like. Huge wick down and then a massive pump. Right here we have this weird downward consolidation, and I fully expect this to break. I'm hoping for a bounce at 34.5, and then yeah, we're going to be rejecting around 37K. Remember, buy zones and sell zones are a range. They're not a specific number. One good thing about Bitcoin is it does not have a public figure. There is Satoshi Nakamoto, but he is relatively silent, so he can't do cringe stuff like, say, Justin Sun of Tron.
Buy my shitcoin. I don't know why. But it's a shitcoin. Buy his shitcoin. Buy his shitcoin. Buy it immediately. Because it is Ethereum killer.
Nope.
Or maybe yes. Actually, Tron is pumping right now. There is a clone of Terra's algorithmic stablecoin that is coming to Tron. Yes, Justin Sun copied the white paper and the idea of Ethereum, and now he's copying Terra Luna. USDD on Tron is basically a carbon copy of UST on Terra Luna. They already have $18 billion worth of Bitcoin in their treasury. It's going to work exactly the same through incentivized arbitrage to keep that peg to the US dollar. Now, Justin Sun is planning on putting $10 billion in Bitcoin in the treasury. I think this is super bullish for Bitcoin. There's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin, and I would rather have Justin Sun and Terra Luna hold a portion of it over, say, the vampires at Fidelity or BlackRock. This is a nice little pump on Tron, but considering the market conditions, I'm going to sit out of this, but now Tron is definitely on my watch list. Richard Hart is the founder of Hex, and he has a flamboyant and cringe marketing strategy. But hey, at least he doesn't literally drink elephant shit like Charles Hoskinson.
Although I did get this. This is pretty cool. This is black ivory coffee. How about that? It's $2,500 a kilogram. So I guess it's competing with cocaine. And how it's made is elephants eat coffee beans, and they digest them and they shit them out. And then some guy goes and sifts through the coffee, through the poo, and takes out the coffee beans and roast them, and then apparently that makes it taste really good. So this is my $2,500 elephant poop coffee.
It's really hard to rally the troops and get behind someone that drinks shit, but Charles Hoskinson is already a giant LARP. He LARPed as Indiana Jones. He LARPed as a cowboy, Brokeback Mountain, and most of all, he's been LARPing as a software developer. Microstrategy said it would face a margin call and be forced to sell some of its crypto if Bitcoin falls to 21,000. Oh no! Microstrategy's amassed more than 129,000 Bitcoin at the value of more than $5 billion. They raised more than $2 billion in debt to buy its Bitcoin holdings at the average price of 30,700. He is in profit right now, okay? However, Bitcoin is looking hella shaky. It is about to close a weekly candle at the lows.
Mate, I'm watching Bitcoin rug like right now. I'm straight down, mate. I've been like 40 bucks away from liquidation. It literally got like 40 bucks from my liquidation. I can't take this. I'm having chest pains.
That is a little bit freaky. And if you think that we can't hit 21K, I have to remind you of this right here. Bitcoin was at 3,400 only 2 years ago. With MicroStrategies having to liquidate billions in Bitcoin, we would definitely break that 20K barrier. Our favorite millennial president, Nayib Bukele, who made Bitcoin legal tender and ended up buying the top of the market. He planned a $1 billion Bitcoin bond that has yet to attract any investors. In fact, people are saying that El Salvador might actually default.
I'm leaving crypto because I'm going to go do what makes my soul happy.
The proposed bond was set to last 10 years and offer a 6.5% annual yield, which, you know, to be honest, I would be really interested in doing. That is one hell of a yield. Half of the money was going to be used to buy more Bitcoin, and half of the money was going to be used to set up a mining rig using volcanic energy. Hooray! You can blame it on Bitcoin price, the Ukraine war, their credit rating was slashed by Fitch Ratings, or you could even blame their outstanding debt they're about to default on. But guys, it looks like the volcano bonds are dead. Hey guys, did you enjoy that 50 basis point rate hike dip right here? Well, if you did, you're in luck, because now they're saying they might raise interest rates 75 basis points next month. Oh, no! The US rate futures is pricing in a 75% chance of a 75 basis point Fed rate hike in June, but FedWatch is 83% probable that it's going to happen. More rate hikes, holy cow. JD Ross, the guy who co-founded Opendoor, which is a major house flipping firm, in fact, they are publicly traded, he says the next 6-8 weeks is going to be a bloodbath. He's hearing rumors about tons of companies preparing to lay off 20-40% of their team.
Just listen to me a second without booing or cheering. You're fired. I mean, really, I'm not joking. Think about that.
That is a lot of doom and gloom, and we're about to break 35K. And before you unsubscribe, there are some numbers that are up. Biden's America is on the rise. The inflation rate is 4.2%. The national debt is up 28.2 trillion. The unemployment is up 6.1%. The border encounters are up 178,000, and the gas prices are up 62.7%.
Black Americans were denied full citizenship voting rights until 1965.
I guess things are going okay in the grand scheme of things, you know.
So is the old adage true? Sell in May and look away. Well, I'll say this. Prepare your anus for the next 6 to 8 weeks, but also prepare your finances. I would say buy the capitulation, buy the dip. That's where the Lambos are made, guys. It's not buying the top. All those people got wrecked, okay? It's about buying the dip and being ready, being prepared. And when everyone else is looking away, you stay focused. That's what the wolf pack is going to do. I'm going to stay focused. I'm going to buy this dip because I sold the top. Hex on the daily chart. It's not looking great, but compared to the rest of the market, it's looking hella cozy. Looks like Richard Hart is going to have a Mother's Day live stream. Great marketing. I'm sure everybody is going to be able to tune in. But as far as the Hex price goes, I really want to see it test the 21 exponential moving average. Okay? Because usually it doesn't. Usually we get these pumps, bam, it pops up and then just sinks through. Right here it tried to, but no bounce. You know, pop up, slam through. Pop up, slam through. Pop up, slam through. You know what I mean? Those are not confirmed uptrends. This is a little bit of a good fake out. It touched a few times here, but look at the volume, quite low. Okay, this is the clear rejection. This is when you get out. That's your signal. Okay, over here, yeah, it looks like our little primary pivot signal. It's not going to play out now, but still the 21 exponential moving average. That could be a decent buy, but I don't know. Look, it all depends on Pulsechain. Okay, is he going to announce Pulsechain tomorrow? I highly doubt that. I think if Richard Hart was going to announce Pulsechain was ready and good to go, would be a tweet. And then a live stream would be like let me explain why it's going to be late. So if it is going to be late, I honestly think we're going to go below 10 cents this time. And I'm going to be around to buy the dip. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And by the way, you know, if you got ADHD or autism, you know, you probably like this channel because my memes are all over the place, but meme game is lit on fleek. Okay. So if you have cool, funny memes, or if you make memes, DM me on Twitter. I'll use them. Anyways, guys,